Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit of a farm vlog. So I have a bunch of things I plan on doing today. I'm going to get the garden tilled up back here and mixed in with the mushroom soil I just got. And I'm going to get it ready to plant and get the potatoes out, get them cut and scabbed over, do some chicken chores. Got a lot of things I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to take you along for a vlog style. Alright, so it's been a few days since the chickens have been out and they are impatient. We got a birdie hen again. Nice. Thank you for your contribution. All right, so they actually don't need much. I was expecting to need to add food and water. I'm gonna top the water off. It's a little bit low. But they really don't need much. PVC feeders are 3/4 full. These things last forever, especially free ranging. They hardly eat any feed anymore. So they're always out eating worms. Those are full. This one could use a little bit more of just like the bird feed style. So I'm gonna fill that one up. And I'm gonna get the hose and fill their water up. And I'm gonna gather up the eggs. Now we got Big Mama in here sitting on the eggs. All right, so I got the eggs out from under her. I'm gonna run these in the house and continue this vlog. All right, so I got the adult chickens taken care of. Now it's time to come down here to the garage and check out the chicks. See how they're doing. They're getting a lot bigger. How are we doing this morning? They're starting to get their feathers in. They're getting quite a bit bigger than they were when we got them. I think they're about 3 weeks old now. I actually have to look back through the video to see when we got them. But they should be about 3 weeks old, maybe a little bit older. So we got 2 nipple waterers, the messy water, and their food. So I'm gonna get some more shavings put down in here, clean their food and water out, and then move on. All right, so I got their water back in. This water honestly sucks for chicks. They get poop and shavings in it. It seems like you gotta change it at least 3-4 times a day. So we do have the nipple waterers too, but we wanna at least give them some options. I'm gonna actually fill these up with fresh water too. I don't know how much they use it, so we just give them 2 different options. All right, so they got their fresh food, fresh water, and both of the waters, fresh bedding. So the chicks are done. I'm gonna head outside and start working on the garden. All right, so the adult chickens are taken care of, the chicks are taken care of. Now I'm gonna start messing with the garden. I dug the potatoes we plan on growing out of the storage area. We got some russet. We got some onions, some white and red onions, some Yukon Gold, some garlic, and then some organic potatoes from last year that have been sitting downstairs in the pantry for months, as you can tell. So I'm gonna get all these cut in pieces and let them scab over. I'm not planting today, but we should be this week. We're past the frost date for the year. And just got some mushroom soil delivered yesterday. So I'm gonna get the rest of it laid out, spread out, and then I'm gonna till it one more time, mix it with the original dirt, and then I'm gonna make some rows. All right, so I got the mushroom soil spread out all over the garden. I'm gonna grab the tiller and rototill it up in with the existing soil. All right, there we have it. That mixed it up really well. It is so much better than last year. I've tilled it probably 5 times already this year. But that's the soil now. I got it mixed in with the existing. And it's nice and loose. So hopefully that works pretty good for us this year. All right, so here's the, I think these are the russet. Yeah, these are the russet seed potatoes. I'm gonna get them cut in half and let them scab over. I'm just gonna use my tailgate to do so. All right, so there we have it. I got them all cut in half. I think you're supposed to let them scab over to where they're not like wet anymore on the outside and get kind of crusty. So I'm gonna get the rest of them cut up and then I'm gonna take them inside. All right, I got all my seed potatoes cut and I'm gonna take them inside, lay them out and let them scab over. All right, so I got the seed potatoes all laid out on the counter to start drying out. I'm gonna let them here for a couple days and then when they're ready to plant, we'll get them in the ground. All right, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button. It definitely helps us out with the videos. And if you wanna follow us along on our journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of things planned. We're getting pigs in a couple weeks and we got 50 meat birds coming in July. So we have a lot of things planned on the homestead. So be sure to follow along. Thank you.